Order for C's presents Understanding Place Value, a tool to improve math literacy, with founder and president Mia Durr. Hello everyone and welcome back to Water for Seeds. On today's agenda we will be discussing place value. So today will be a class on place value, so a place value one-on-one of sorts. So today we will start with what is place value, how does place value work, how to find place value, how to calculate place value, and how to write place value. Now let's proceed. So I want to start with defining place value. What is place value? Place value is defined as the value of each digit in a number. We get the place value of a number by multiplying the digit value with its numerical value. Place value helps us understand the composition of numbers. So how does place value work? The place in place value is the position of the number. Each position is given a place value by ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and etc. As you can see, I went up to the millions for this particular video. You can keep going if you want to understand it further, but just for the purposes of this video, and to keep it short, we want to work with the place values from ones to millions. The position of the number depends on the digit of the number. You always count positions right to left for whole positive numbers. This video is exclusively for whole numbers, not for decimals. We will get into that for a future video. So how do you find place value? So how to find the place value, you have to ask yourself these questions step by step. So step 1, how many digits are in the number? Count how many numbers you see. Step 2, what is the position or place of each number you see? Step 3, what is the value of each number you see? Multiply the number in its position, so in its place, times the value of that position. So now that we have our steps to find place value, let's calculate the place value. So first you want to look at the number. How many digits do you see? If you see one digit, it will automatically fall into the ones place. If you see two digits, it falls into the tens place, and so on and so forth. And again, for this video, we'll be going up to 7 digits only. Now, if it's a one-digit number, it falls into the ones place. The number that you see in the ones place will be multiplied by 1. The number that you see in the tens place will be multiplied by 10, and so on and so forth through the millions. Now let's proceed so I can demonstrate what that looks like. For our first example, we're going to practice with the ones place. So here we have the number 3. Using our steps, we're going to ask ourselves, how many digits are in this number? So we see that there is only one digit. Next, we're going to say, what is the position or place of each number you see? Again, because we only have one digit and we know that the number is 3, it will automatically fall into the ones place. Lastly, step 3, what is the value of each number you see? Because we only have the number 3, we're going to multiply the number 3 times the value formula. So that is going to be row 3. So 3 times 1 equals 3. The value of 3 ones is 3. For one more place value practice with the ones place, let's use the number 9. Starting with step 1, ask yourselves how many digits do you see? So for the number 9, there's only one digit. Step 2, what is the position or place of each number you see? Because there's only one number, that one digit number will go into the ones place. Step 3, what is the value of each number you see? To calculate the value, utilizing the row 3, the number times 1 for the ones place, 9 times 1 equals 9. So the value of 9 ones is 9. Jumping into the tens place for place value practice, we're going to focus on the number 17. So utilizing our steps, ask yourselves how many digits are in this number. So the number 17, we have the numbers 1 and 7. That's 2 digits. Step 2, what is the position or place of each number you see? The number 7 is in the ones place. The number 1 is in the tens place. Again, always working right to left. Step 3, what is the value of each number you see? The number 7 in the ones place will be multiplied times 1, utilizing our formula on row 3. So 7 times 1 equals 7. The number 1 is in the tens place, so we're going to multiply 1 times 10. 1 times 10 equals 10. The value of 7 ones is 7. The value of 110 is 10. Next, we have the number 88. So what do you do when you see a number that repeats itself? This is where place value is an excellent tool because it helps you to understand each number based on its digit and based on its position. So let's once again go through our steps. Step 1, ask yourselves how many digits are in this number. Here we have 2 digits, 8 and 8. Step 2, what is the position or place of each number you see? We have an 8 in the ones place and we have an 8 in the tens place. Step 3, what is the value of each number you see? The value of 8 ones is 8 and the value of 8 tens is 80. So at this point, I am sure and confident in you. I am confident that you are now a place value pro. So for the next several numbers, we are going to focus on the values. I am not going to go through each formula, but I want you to recognize that on row 3, the value formula will be used to determine the value of each number. So just pay attention to the numbers on the right if you need the formula breakdown. So going into the hundreds place, we have the number 356. Asking ourselves step by step. Step 1, how many digits are in the number? So we see we have 3 digits, the numbers 3, 5, and 6. Step 2, what is the position or place of each number? We have 6 in the ones place, so we have 6 ones. We have 5 in the tens place, we have 5 tens. We have 3 in the hundreds place, so that means we have 3 hundreds. The value of 6 ones is 6, the value of 5 tens is 50, and the value of 3 hundreds is 300. Jumping to the thousands place for our place value practice, we have the number 4,872. So here, using our steps, we're going to ask ourselves how many digits are in this number. Here we have the numbers 4, 8, 7, and 2. So we have 4 digits. Step 2, what is the position or place of each number you see? The number 2 is in the ones place, the number 7 is in the tens place, the number 8 is in the hundreds place, and the number 4 is in the thousands place. Step 3, what is the value of each number you see? So we see here that we have the value starting from the ones place, the value of 2 ones is 2. In the tens place, the value of 7 tens is 70. In the hundreds place, the value of 8 hundreds is 800. And in the thousands place, the value of 4 thousands is 4,000. For our next place value practice, we are now in the 10,000s place. So for our number here, we have the number 13,614. So using our steps, step 1, ask yourselves how many digits are in the number. We can see we have 5 digits, the number 1, 3, 6, 1, and 4. Step 2, what is the position or place of each number you see? Here we have the 4 in the ones place, a 1 in the tens place, a 6 in the hundreds place, a 3 in the thousands place, and another 1 in the 10,000s place. Step 3, what is the value of each number you see? So the value of the 4 in the ones place is 4 ones, which is equal to 4. The value of the number 1 in the tens place is 10. The value of the number 6 in the hundreds place is 600. The value of the 3 in the thousands place is 3,000. And the value of the other 1 in the 10,000s place is 10,000. For our next place value practice, we are now in the 100,000s place. So here we have the number 569,378. So using our steps once again, step 1, ask yourselves how many digits do you see? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. The numbers 5, 6, 9, 3, 7, and 8. Step 2, what is the position or place of each number you see? We have a number 8 in the ones place, a 7 in the tens place, a 3 in the hundreds place, a 9 in the thousands place, a 6 in the 10,000s place, and a 5 in the 100,000s place. Step 3, what is the value of each number you see? So the value of 8 ones is 8, the value of 7 tens is 70, the value of 3 hundreds is 300, the value of 9 thousands is 9,000, the value of 6 10,000s is 60,000, the value of 500,000s is 500,000. So now we are in the millions place. We finally made it. So here we're going to utilize our steps once again. Step 1, ask yourselves how many digits are in the number. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. Step 2, what is the position or place of each number you see? Starting from right to left once again, we have a 3 in the ones place, a 9 in the tens place, 5 in the hundreds place, 6 in the thousands place, a 2 in the 10,000s place, a 4 in the 100,000s place, and a 7 in the millions place. Step 3. What is the value of each number you see? So the value of 3 ones is 3. The value of 9 tens is 90. The value of 5 hundreds is 500. The value of 6 thousands is 6,000. The value of 2 10,000s is 20,000. The value of 400 thousands is 400,000. And the value of 7 millions is 7 million. So I wanted to conclude on how to write place value. So as you can see from the previous slides, I demonstrated utilizing a formula for each place value position. So when you are writing place value and you're using the alphabet, you would be utilizing the word form. So the word form is literally writing out the number using the alphabet letters. So the word for this number we're utilizing for this example, 2,156,783. So that would be the word form for this particular number. The standard form will be the numerical way that we would just typically write it, which is the 2,156,783, and utilizing our commas to show the place value. And the expanded form is showing what would this number look like if we broke it down by each place value position and added it all together. So it would be 2 million plus 100,000 plus 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 3. And together, all of those numbers make the number 2,156,783. And that concludes our video on understanding place value. I hope that you found this video helpful. Please feel free to drop down in the comments. Join the Patreon channel if you want to ask more specific questions or need further understanding. I will post additional videos for homework help purposes, as well as some additional videos regarding math literacy. I hope that you found this video helpful. Again, I am Mia Durr with Water for Seeds, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.